Hey, how y'all doing? It's good to see you again. How's your mom? Oh, good.
All right, we are at Alley Cats. We're at Hurst, Texas, I guess.
Yes.
So we're gonna play hopefully two rounds. So this will be the trophy ball for the first round. This is Alley Cats on the back. And for the second round, if you want, we can do the Bean Boozle challenge, the nasty jelly beans.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be really neat.
Hole 2, par 2. The hole's behind this little doohickey. Zach.
The debris on the courses is a unique challenge.
Ooh. I came over, went right over the hole.
Oh.
Yes. I'll go and finish it.
Yeah, sink it. Ooh.
All right, Zach's lining up the second shot. Oh, yes. Stayed on top. Going for 3. If you missed my shot, this is where I got at. Zach's up for his first shot on hole 4. And here's Zach's shot number 2. Can he find a par? Oh, right off the lip. Oh, off the lip again. Oh no.
Oh, that snow got it up there.
Not bad.
Not bad.
over it. It jumped over it. Oh no.
All right. One must focus to get it in the hole.
I knew it as soon as I hit it that was not good.
It seems I've passed it on.
Pretty good shots. Yeah, the momentum has switched on this one. So that was 3, 4. All right, 2. Right in that corner.
That's what I planned all along.
Oh, good.
Is the wind going to mess him up? I hope not. Everyone believes in you, Jeff. Oh!
He's on.
Woo! Right. We knew you could do it.
It bounced off in and then back out. Boom.
Ooh, 2. Good shot.
Oh, again. Oh.
Oh!
There you go, 3. Oh.
Ooh.
All right. I still think I had a pretty good first 9.
Pretty good first 9.
So
So at the first 9, the par is 18. I've got 30 and Jeff has 23.
nice.
Yes.
Ooh.
I got a lot of ground to cover.
I think we should do the beans on this round and the ball on the
Oh
next.
yeah, yeah.
Here are the holes over there. That's not so bad.
Not bad.
Need to hit a little bit harder. Oh, that's too hard. That's so hard. Oh no. All right, lesson 2. 1 over. Oh yeah.
Word. Hey, focus.
Focus, Zach. his third shot, on his third shot. All right. You're really good at hitting the lip.
I am really good at hitting the lip. There's a joke in there somewhere.
I don't like going around. Oh, come back in. Yes!
Oh!
You gotta go above it, above it. Oh, went all the way around. No. Number 5, oh no. Zach is slapping, but it's not funny. I think this is 6. Oh, he is not getting the rolls tonight, folks. He is not getting the rolls. All right, hole 12, par 2.
I'm having an fantastic time.
Thank you, Mr. Stick.
Yeah.
Oh, he lipped it again, folks. Lipped it again. If you got points for lipping it, you'd be killing it. Boom. 2. Oh, so close.
We're lipping it so much we could be kissing.
3. Yes!
Oh!
Oh, I thought I was gonna bounce back in. 3. I was so scared of the step that I had it. Ooh, there was light. Oh, if it could have just stayed up there, that would have been nice. Did you see that, Mr. Zebra? Oh. Woo, you got it in 3. You got it in 3.
Oh! Woohoo!
I don't think the wind is helping this game. Ooh. Come back.
Oh! Oh!
So close. Oh, I wanted mine to go in so bad. Five.
5.
Sit. Oh, come on.
Woo! Good shot.
That was really nervous.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh!
Hole in one. Here, look at that waterfall. Oh, that would have been beautiful. That would have been great.
Yeah, that's...
Two. Yeah, that was great.
Oh, I saw the wind push that. How's he going to compensate for the wind tunnel? Oh, playing billiards over here. 2. Very good. 2.
Oh. Going for 3 on 17. Oh, he missed 3 on 17. 4 on 17. His shadow was bothering him. Oh, his shadow is not his friend. 5.
So bad.
18, part 2. Hole number 18 is one of the ones that it takes your ball away.
Oh.
So we'll just give ourselves 2.
Okay.
We finished the harbor course.
Yes.
The final score on the harbor course.
The final score was 61, Zach, and Jeff got 44.
44. That's the best game mini golf I've ever played.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can get better than 44 ever again. We're gonna try other times, but 44, that's my personal best.
It was a pretty incredible game to watch. You got a hole in one. You got a hole in one on course or number 16.
Yep.
So that was really
awesome.
proud.
All right, so like and subscribe.
Yes.
Tune into the next episode to find out what the heck the horse is all about.
Yeah. Giddy up, cowboy.